Linzer cookies are a twist on the Linzer torte, which originated in Linz in Austria. The cookies are extremely popular all over Europe, and this is exactly how you can make them too. Begin by placing 110 grams of soft unsalted butter, 60 grams of icing sugar, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the mixing bowl of a stand mixer. Now of course you can use a hand mixer to do this, or you can even mix it by hand. Mix it using a beater attachment until it becomes light and fluffy. Then mix in 1 egg yolk until it's fully incorporated into the mixture. Next, sift in 140 grams of plain flour, 35 grams of almond flour and 1 gram of ground cinnamon. Mix until it comes together to form a dough. Now we want to roll the dough out to around 3 millimeters in thickness. To do this, you can either lightly flour the work surface and roll it out on there. I don't like to do that because I feel like you're incorporating more flour into the recipe. So what I like to do is get 2 sheets of parchment paper, place one on the bottom, then the dough, place another one on the top, and then roll it out until it's your desired thickness. Then we're going to rest the rolled out cookie dough in the fridge for 1 hour. Take your cookie dough from the fridge, and then we need to cut them out using a cookie cutter of your choice. We also need a smaller one to be able to cut a hole out of half of the cookies. Make sure you've got equal amounts of normal cookies and then the cookies with the hole in. We then place them onto a lined baking tray with parchment paper and bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius fan for 12 to 14 minutes until lightly golden. Remove your cookies from the oven and place them on a cooling rack until they are completely cooled down. Now it's time to assemble the cookies. Place the whole cookies onto the bottom with a spoon of jam in the center. You can use any jam of your choice. Raspberry and strawberry work really well. You could always go with apricot or even cranberry if you want to be a little bit more Christmassy. For the cookies with the hole in, dust them quite heavily with icing sugar before placing them on top of the jam. So that's how I make these delicious Linzer cookies. I hope you give it a go for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.